Oh hi, welcome back. Let's make some measurement indicators, which are the dimension lines in CorelDraw, a designing program so that you know how long a line is in a shape for your layouts or your floor plans, for example. So I have this A4 kind of layout of a number 1 shape, just like this, and I just want to know how long a line that constructed the number 1 shape really is, and then I want to print it. This is set as default. This is parallel dimension tool. It's used so that you can drag the cursor from this point to the final point, and then we drag it, and then we know the size, which is 3.43 centimeters. So yeah, this is how you can measure some slanted lines. What if you want to measure only the horizontal and vertical lines? You hold the left click button and then head over to horizontal or vertical dimension and then drag it just like so, easily. Same goes for the horizontal line, just like so. And then hold the left click button. This is called angular dimension. Do you want to know how large is an angle that's created by two lines, just like this? You drag the cursor from this to the point, and then you drag it just like, no, that's wrong. You drag it from the center point, for example, and then you drag it until it meets here, and then you simply do some resizing, and then you know that it's 45 degrees. And then you can even change the decimal form to this so that it's more visible. You can do some segment dimension measurements, where if you select this and then you drag it just like this, it will automatically detect which line should be measured. Same goes for this. You drag it, select this line, and then you drag it, and then select this line, and then select this line, and then you drag it just like this, and then you instantly know how big this is. So this measurement also works for floor plans, although it's represented in centimeters, and then you have to give this scaling indicator as well so that you can design a proper floor plan. And that's it. That's how you can put some measuring indicators, which are dimension lines, in CorelDraw, a designing program for printed works. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.